Hey there, I'm Frank. I'm a dispatcher at Acme Field Services and Rental Company. My days used to look like daily challenges with piles of data entry, lost or underutilized equipment, and delayed invoices, just to name a few. Last year, we moved to FieldVu. As soon as I log into FieldVu, I get a complete overview of what's happening. Right now, I've got a new job that Martha from sales just closed on. She's already entered all of the information into our ERP, and here it is. This has eliminated a ton of data re-entry, making both of our jobs way easier. FieldVu makes sure I don't double book our resources and classifies workers based on skill. This gives me confidence that the right people are on the right job every time, making our costs predictable. I can quickly jump to resource status as well to see a high-level overview of where all my staff are at any given time. It also takes the stress out of equipment management. It notifies me when equipment is pending repair. I don't want my field team working with faulty equipment. With tools to ensure the right people and equipment are on each job, I can then dispatch it out worry-free. Not only does FieldVu help us get the right equipment and people to do the job, but we know where everything is, eliminating lost or underutilized equipment. It helps expedite our monthly billing for our rental equipment. I can also look at maintenance recommendations, helping me plan in advance for inspections and services. At the end of the job, when we see everything come back, repair and maintenance helps to ensure that equipment is repaired before being sent to the next job. I can also keep an eye out on what's happening in the field and check on the status of our field tickets. This helps us ensure timelines are met. Now that you've seen how FieldVu Back-Office simplifies my life, take a look at how FieldVu Mobile and FieldVu Asset Management simplifies things for the rest of the team.